name is Unnati Mandrekar. I teach in Holy Cross Institute, Quebec, Goa.
So, could you tell us how your experience was of mentoring the students for the Avanti program?
Okay, first of all, I really thank you all for getting this project to our school. And another thing, our students mostly are from rural areas. They were not very good in opening up their self. So I find it very difficult when we were teaching. I find it very difficult, even other teachers also. But after this project started, they started to open up a little bit. They are aware of the social issues. They take interest in social issues. They started discussing many things, like for example, orphanage kids, how they live their life, what happened to their later on in their life, how do they react when they come to know about their parents are not there. Some of them left. So about the cleanliness drive, they are much interested in such things. And today also, many of them were discussing about the things, how to tackle these problems, social things. So it's really a good initiative by Avanti Foundation, and I believe that it should go for a long time.
So, you have gone with some of the students for their projects in some of the places. So, what impact did you see like on the people they did the project for?
In the beginning, they were not much opening with the students, but later on they started conversing with them, telling their nice stories, sharing their views, sharing their point of views. Then later I found that when we went for second time, and they were very happy to see these students, our students, and our students helped them to do many things, right from the craft, drawing, various competitions like storytelling competition, then singing, dancing, and they were very eager to show their talents. So I think it's a really good time for the students and also the kids at the orphanage to open up their self, and especially for their build up their confidence. That was much more important, and they really helped them, both the students as well as the kids. They really help each other to open up and also to build their confidence.
Just have you seen in the behavior of the students since the program?
Okay, like I said before, many of them were not very opening up. So now when I see them, they come to me, they discuss many things, they discuss many things with their other teachers also. And they are aware of the social issues which are around us, and they try to discuss it and solve it out with various ways which they can do.
And through your experience, what have you learned from your engagement in the program?
Okay, when I was in my college, I was doing my studies. I was very good in these things. I usually take part in various things, but later on I had stopped. But now, when I was a part of this, started with this project as a teacher, really helped me, and I really thank you all. It's a really changing my way, thinking of ways. From myself and from my at home also, I'm doing much more things which I have really stopped. And because of Avanti Foundation, for example, cleaning. I used to clean the gutters from our areas, but I have clearly stopped it. And now I've really started again. Cleaners drive. I don't do much thing, but I have started from myself at my home with my cousins, with my aunts, aunties, small kids. So really helping me to help them also, and to have some awareness thing around my family and friends.
Okay, and last question, ma'am, do you have any feedback for us in terms of conducting the program or the content of the program that might benefit the girls more?
Okay, only for girls, I think it also should be for boys also, because even the girls were telling, so why only girls? Boys also can think, boys also can share their views, they also can help us. So if it is for both the sides, boys and girls, it will help more in all everything, because they also have their thoughts, they also have their ideas. It will be more powerful if we share, because both of them are the part of the society. So I think both of the sections should be involved in. And for girls, yeah, it's surely going to empower them, especially with their confidence, and we really have to have their confidence and have to increase their confidence in everything which we ever we can.